name is Cesar Iparraguirre, and I was born on November 5th, 1985, in Lima, Peru. Right now, I live in Barcelona, Spain, but most of my family is in Lima and also Italy. I'm very close to my parents and my brother. They are a big part of my life and my motivation. I'm studying marketing. I really enjoy subjects like to communication, branding, and business strategy. At the same time, I work in a tech startup where I help to universities and schools improve how they connect with their students and alumni. Two of my favorite hobbies are music and hiking. I love being a DJ, creating sets with Latin music and African rhythms. And I also enjoy going to the mountains because I can disconnect and recharge my energy. I'm taking this course because I want to reach a B2 level in English. It's really important for me, for my career and personal growth, especially because I work with international clients and teams. Thanks a lot for watching my video. I'm looking forward to meeting you all and learning together this semester. See you soon.